What's up, YouTube? This is JB. I had a few people hit me up in my comments asking me to go more in depth in the infotainment system in the Jeep. So right now I'm going to go over all the different options. I do have the 8.4 inch touchscreen with navigation, and it comes with Apple Carplay. So let's go through all the options. Alright, first let's start with the radio. So you do get 12 presets that you can set for AM, FM, and XM radio. And then of course you could change the stations with these buttons here. And let's go to the climate control. Climate control, you got your AC options and things at the top. You have the speed at the bottom. Sync is also at the bottom. So let's say if I want mine at 72 but the passenger wants theirs at 60, they can go ahead and press that down. And then if you want to even it back up, just hit the sync button and it's back even. And let's go into the apps. So one I like is the travel link. You can get gas prices for gas stations that are around you. You can even get the weather, current 3 to 6 hours, and also your 5-day forecast. Movie listings. So you can pick a movie theater that's near you and actually get the movie times. And you can get sports. So let's see the scores from last night's games. Another cool option is the backup camera. You can actually have the backup camera on when you're not in reverse, and when you turn the steering wheel, the lines actually move so you can see how you're parking. It does have Wi-Fi hotspot. You have to use AT&T to get that service. And let's say if you misplace your user manual and you need to figure out how to do something, you have it all right here. And you can even get pictures, so you know exactly what you're looking at. Here's to dim the mirror, if you do have that option. Navigation. Let's see. Let's go to a recent spot. So the cool thing about the navigation
at end of the road,
is
turn
the
left.
truck, the car is actually a Jeep, if you should see right here.
At end of the road, turn left.
Exit out of that. Alright, Apple CarPlay. So you see you do have all your regular things, your phone option, your maps, messages. So maps is, let's say if you didn't have navigation, you can still use this maps here and be able to get to where you need to go. And text messages, it will read your text messages to you, and you can also speak to text to reply back. Let's see, go back in the apps. Another cool thing, let's say if you use let's see, this travel link a lot and you want it down at the app so you don't have to go all the way in the apps to use it, you can actually just hold this down and move it down and they'll swap
with whatever.
Alright, so that's the infotainment system in my 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL model. It's pretty much the same for all the other like Dodge, Ram, Jeep things, and Chrysler. Basically have that same infotainment system. So if you have one of those cars, it's basically the same thing. Or if you're looking into getting one of those, it'll probably look just like this. But make sure you comment below and hit the subscribe button. Alright, peace.